Hey, let me show you comparison between AirPods Pro 3rd generation, 2nd generation, and the 1st generation. This is the visual comparison. So first, let's compare AirPods Pro 3 with AirPods Pro 2. As you can see, there's the different size of that ear tip attachment over here. It's a little bit longer on the AirPods Pro 3, but it's also a little bit thicker on AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And right now, when we take a look on some sensors, as you can see from this side, it looks almost the same, but on the 2nd generation, this one is a little bit longer. There's the microphone that is longer on the AirPods Pro 3. And when you take a look over here, we can find the heart rate sensor on the AirPods Pro 3, which is for sure not located on the 2nd generation and the 1st generation. Now, when you take a look on the AirPods Pro 1st generation and 2nd generation, as you can see, the proximity sensor on the 1st generation was located right here, and there was actually some issues about this one, so Apple decided to move the proximity sensor over here, and this microphone was moved at the top over here. You can use ear tips from 1st generation to the 2nd generation and the vice versa, but of course there's no way to attach old ear tips into the AirPods Pro 3 because, as I said before, this ear tips attachment look a little bit different. And that's basically it. On the both earbuds, you can find the same touch sensor on the same exact spot. And that's actually everything for visual differences between those devices. I'm talking about AirPods only because the charging case looks a little bit different for every version, and I also record a second video for this one. So if you find it useful, please hit the like button.